radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Chatham County in southeast Georgia, southwestern Beaufort County in southeast South Carolina, southern Jasper County in southeast South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm near Petersburg, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Prepare now for the following hazards: damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, golf ball size hail. Some locations in the warning include Petersburg, Hardyville, Switzerland, Grahamville, Sunday City, Jasper, Rose Hill, Calawassie Island, Lemon Island. Report hail, down trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024. Severe thunderstorm watch number 68.